Can I take your picture?
Have you thought at all about your presentation? What's your concept?
It's estimated that 70% of black men will either be dead, on drugs, in jail, or unemployed. Homicide is the leading killer of black men between the ages of 13 and 35. 1 out of every 4 black men is currently involved in the penal system. I'm capturing and preserving their image, some kind of evidence of existence. How many funerals you been to this year? 5, I think.
Oh, baby. Lost so many of your friends.
Girl, when you gonna take my picture, though? I'm not ready today. This ain't my good shirt.
This called rules. It keeps you far from danger.
You can't go a day without reading your horoscope and looking at those cards. True. I understand why you were hiding. Is he your boyfriend? I don't miss any of that.
If you see him, don't talk to him. Don't tell him anything.
Authorities are certain the killer has been preying on teenage males and females.
2 kids have been attacked right in the heart of the section you pitched.
Be careful.
You too. I gotta work.
You should get some rest.
Oh my God. Why you wanna dress like that? Like a boy?
When I walk down the street, white folks move out of the way. They're scared.
You not afraid somebody's gonna shoot you?
I was afraid of that when I was a girl.
Great.
Did somebody hurt you?
I'm calling the police. Get the hell out of here. All I wanted was a nice little quiet spot, you know.